Hey everyone, I'm Brandy, your fellow HCMC, and I'm so happy to share with you my experience with implementing benefits along with Essential ACA. Now I know you may feel that this is yet another thing added to our already long list of things to do, but trust me, it's not as scary as you think. By implementing benefits along with Essential ACA, it not only makes for a seamless process impacting our overall client experience, but ours as well. Just think, implementing ACA along with benefits ensures that the plans and the settings are all configured correctly. No more last minute messages saying, hey, this plan isn't set up correctly or dependents aren't loaded. You'll have this already handled. Now, since this is a hot ticket item to me for ADP, leadership has done a phenomenal job with making sure that we have plenty of resources. Things such as weekly Q&A calls, an ADP work site dedicated to only ACA implementation, email templates, client talk tracks, you name it, we have it. Not to mention bonus incentives for completing our orders. And hey, who couldn't use some extra money? So I know that we've been entrusted to do a lot of things for our clients, but this is truly one thing I'm confident that we can do.